This is part 6 in a mini-series on intervals, which is the distance in pitch between two notes. This lesson focuses on sevenths, what they are, and how to play them on the guitar. In the music staff, a seventh is 7 steps distance. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. C and B are a seventh apart. And you can count down from the higher note. C, B, A, G, F, E, D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. D is a seventh lower than C. You can further define sevenths as major and minor. On the guitar, a major seventh is the distance of 11 frets. A minor interval is 1 fret or 1/2 step smaller than a major interval, so a minor seventh is the distance of 10 frets. You can use the major scale to figure out if a seventh is major or minor. To do that, build a major scale from the lower note of the interval. If the upper note, which you already know is a seventh higher, belongs in the scale, the interval is a major seventh. If that upper note is a 1/2 step lower than the seventh of that major scale, you have a minor seventh. For example, when you build a C major scale using the whole step, half step, whole, half pattern, you get C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. The note B is the 7th note of a C major scale, so B is a major seventh higher than C. If you change that B to B flat, which is a 1/2 step lower than B, you now have a minor seventh. And a note about terminology. In non-classical music, the major seventh is often referred to as just 7, and a minor seventh can be called flat 7. And this has nothing to do with whether that seventh is a flat, sharp, or natural note. It just describes it in relation to the major scale. That being said, I'm going to use the terms major and minor seventh in this lesson. Here's how you can play a major seventh moving between strings 6 and 4. So the notes are 2 strings apart, but just 1 fret distance. Between strings 5 and 3, same, 1 fret distance. Strings 4 and 2, 2 frets distance now, because of the way the guitar is tuned. And strings 3 and 1, same, 2 frets distance. And minor sevenths. Minor seventh moving between strings 6 and 4, same fret. You just skip over a string. Same between strings 5 and 3. Because of the way the guitar is tuned, it's going to be different between strings 4 and 2, 1 fret distance. And same if you're moving between strings 3 and 1, 1 fret distance. The next lesson focuses on octaves, and when that lesson's ready, I'll post a link at the end of this video. You can check out this playlist if you're interested in music theory for guitar players, and for more guitar lessons, music theory, and solo guitar arrangements, please subscribe.